Hey everyone, Drew here. Today I wanted to create a video on how to identify your customer avatar. I don't know, if you're like me, you've probably spent a lot of money on advertising, and a lot of those marketing dollars just go out the window because we don't have an idea of who we are advertising to. So over the years, I've learned how to identify an avatar, and today I wanted to share that information. So these are my cost-effective tips on how to identify your avatar without spending a fortune on market research. All right, tip number one, social media analytics. Your social media platforms offer powerful tools to allow you to gain insight into your customers' behaviors, their demographics, and their interests. This will allow you to craft a message specifically towards that audience. All right, tip number two, that is to analyze your competitors and their followers. So go onto your social media profiles, find out what your competitors are posting and who's engaging with those posts. You'll have your competitors will have a lot of followers, but they're not all necessarily customers. They may be friends and family or whatever, but you want to actually look at the post and see who's engaging. This will probably give you a better idea of who the actual customer is, which will allow you to further craft your message. All right, guys, tip number three is hashtags. Go to your social media profiles and do a search for relevant hashtags in your industry. You're going to be searching for, let's say I'm a painter. I'm going to go to Instagram and I'm probably going to search, Sherwin-Williams paint, because my customer is likely going to want to be interested in Sherwin-Williams paint. They're not likely to be interested in pretty paintbrushes, but maybe more so probably the product that we're putting on, not the tools that we're using. Make sense? All right, tip number five, this is the use of online surveys. And you're going to go into your Facebook groups, and specifically the Facebook groups targeted towards your competitors or people in your industry. You're going to ask questions about their customers. It can be simple questions like, hey, you guys doing a lot of business with real estate agents or interior designers, or are you doing more business with homeowners? Simple questions like that. All right, guys, so you don't need to spend a fortune on market research. With a little bit of time and effort, you can develop a pretty decent customer avatar to give you a grasp on how you need to craft your message when developing ads and website copy. All right, everyone, that's it for today. Please like, subscribe, share. If you have any questions or comments for me, leave them down below. I read them all and respond to them all as I can get to them. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching.